all that we have prepared for actually happened on Friday. Now I will run through all the indicators that happened on this typical SPY trading day, and if you were prepared for it without any biases, how much money could you potentially have made? Now SPY traveled conservatively from one major level to another, about 9 points, and if you took one contract that is at the money for every 1 point, simplistically speaking, you will be making $45 profit for every point. So if we traveled 9 points, and if you took, well, conservatively just 5 contracts, you will be making 9 by 45 by 5, and that's about a $2,000 profit. And that's not considering that your delta will increase as your options get more and more deeper in the money, as well as the circulation that you do within this buying channel itself. Now let's take a look now on the trading day, and here are the indicators that we have been talking about, and if you have been prepared for it, that's profit aplenty. Firstly is this engulfing candle right here. Now this was from the video here in August, so please look out for it. And very simply, where we opened and where we closed, if you combine this will form a very strong hammer doji of a major level, and this is being confirmed by this long bottom wick here, and this would have been a very strong support level for you to take some calls, and that was the first call that gave us quite a strong rally at the start of the day. Now thereafter, this formed right here, and we'll go on to the 1 minute chart to see it more in detail. Now I mentioned in the Discord server that there is a cup and handle that is forming right here at 11:30 a.m. Now if you understood how to look out for selling channels or channels in general that started to taper like this, you will be able to identify that there is a cup and handle forming. So I mentioned this, the tapering of the channels, and you can watch more in this video right here. Now all the links will be summarized in the description below, so please check out the description. And this would have brought this 366 level here as a very strong base, as I mentioned here, for this level to become a base for a cup that is forming right here. Now on top of that, there was another structure that was forming, and we see this inverse head and shoulder pattern, especially with such a strong rejection of this yellow 366 right here. Now this, you can watch it in this video here, 2 videos to talk about it, how I made $1 million with this particular indicator, as well as another video here where how it has happened 8 times in a day, this particular indicator. Now so far so good, right? We had all the indicators that we've seen happening and prepared for, and lastly we see that this cup has formed into a large buying channel that went up all the way to the top. So if you got your calls here and you see all the flagging that's happening and it brought us up in the channel, there just isn't any reason to cut your calls. We never broke any major levels. As you notice, all the flagging happened at the major levels if you pay attention to that. So it's so important as well, right, to have levels in place, to have reliable levels, and thereafter you see how this buying channel just plays itself out. Now I also have this video on how you can use channels to add on to your winners and nurture your trade here so that you do not lose more profits. In fact, you can add on more profits in here, so do check it out right here. So many videos that you can watch and prepare yourself for: the engulfing doji video right here, the cup and handle video right here, the head and shoulder video right here, as well as how to add to your winners and have a confirmation right here. So do check out all these videos, and if you were prepared, it's very simple trading day to be reaping profits on the very typical SPY day. Thank you very much for watching. I'll see you in the next video.